Forget what you think you know about Europe. Albania is a land of stunning landscapes, rich history, and unique customs that will have you scratching your head and saying, wow! Where can you find serenading shepherds, scarecrows warding off evil spirits, and candy-throwing wedding guests? Welcome to Albania, where the weird and wonderful collide. Think you've seen it all in Europe? Think again. Get ready to uncover the bizarre and beautiful secrets of Albania. This is Albania, and it's unlike anywhere else on Earth. In this episode, we will take a look at the strange laws, disgusting food, rare animals, weird traditions, and hidden gems of Albania. Strange laws. Now, every country has its share of unusual laws, and Albania is no exception. Did you know driving a dirty car is illegal? Albanians take pride in their wheels, and a filthy vehicle is a big no-no. So give your car a wash before hitting the road. And you should also know that it is illegal to drive a vehicle that's more than 25 years old in the city center of Tirana. Talk about vintage cars being out of style. And here's a head-scratcher. It's against the law to pick wildflowers. Imagine being arrested for picking a bouquet. Disgusting food? Well, maybe. Now for the question everyone's asking, is Albanian food weird? Well, that depends on your definition of weird. Try Tavë Kosi, a baked lamb's head. It's a delicacy in some parts of Albania, and while it might look intimidating, the meat is tender and flavorful. Just don't stare at the eyes too long. Frog legs are a southern specialty. Served with a squeeze of lime, they're surprisingly tasty. If you're feeling adventurous, give them a try. Honey rakia is a fiery local liquor. Made with fermented honey, it's strong stuff, so sip slowly and savor the burn. But don't worry, there's plenty of normal food too. Fresh seafood, flavorful stews, and delicious vegetables are all on the menu. Rare Animals Albania is a haven for wildlife, and you might spot some rare creatures you won't find anywhere else. Keep an eye out for the Dalmatian pelican, the world's rarest pelican species. These majestic birds with their curly feathers make their home in Albania's lakes. Did you know that Albania is a key location for birdwatching enthusiasts? Get your binoculars ready for birdwatching. Albania is a stopover point for migratory birds, so you can see everything from falcons to hoopoes. Now, besides bird species, we have a special guest in the episode 2, the Balkan lynx. The Balkan lynx roams in the wild mountains. It is one of the rarest big cat species in the world. Now we shall move forward and take a lot at some practices in Albania. That might astonish you as well. Weird traditions. Albanians have some fascinating traditions that might seem a bit odd to outsiders. Scarecrows and teddy bears aren't just for gardens. They're often hung outside houses to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck. Planting a tree for a newborn is a common practice. Cedar trees are for boys, and pines are for girls. It's a beautiful way to celebrate new life and connect with nature. If you're invited to a wedding, be prepared to get showered with rice and candy. It's a joyous way to wish the couple a sweet and prosperous future. You might get serenaded by goats. In some villages, it's customary for shepherds to sing to their goats at milking time. The goats may not appreciate the opera, but it's a unique tradition. Albania is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Hike through the stunning Albanian Alps. The scenery is breathtaking, and you might even spot some wild goats, or their serenading shepherds. Blue Eye Lagoon, a natural wonder that will take your breath away. Take a dip in the Blue Eye Lagoon. This crystal-clear pool is surrounded by lush greenery and is a popular spot for swimming and diving. The city of Berat. Explore the ancient city of Berat. Nicknamed the City of a Thousand Windows, Berat is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with Ottoman houses clinging to the cliffs. As we wrap up this adventure through Albania, one thing's for sure. This is a country that defies expectations and invites you to embrace the unexpected. Whether you're fascinated by strange laws, intrigued by unique traditions, or eager to explore hidden gems, Albania has something for every curious traveler. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting content. Also take some time to share your thoughts on this beautiful and astonishing country. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.